I had a thought which I wanted to share. Muslims are often rightly advised the importance of gaining and acting on Islamic knowledge, and how knowledge which is not acted on has little to no benefit in either this world or the next. A further important point needs to be understood on this topic. If one desires to be rightly guided, so that they obtain peace of mind and success in both worlds, they must adopt a sincere attitude. Meaning, the only one who will be rightly guided by Islamic teachings is the one who comes to this knowledge with the intention to completely accept and act on it according to their best effort, without cherry-picking what teachings to accept and act and what teachings to ignore according to their desires. One must submit, accept and act on all the teachings, irrespective of how much it contradicts their desires, to the best of their ability. The truth is that there will always be teachings from the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, that will weigh heavily on a person, as it contradicts their desires and attitude. This is because everyone has an inner devil which dislikes being contradicted. Only when one sincerely tries to submit to these teachings, the teachings which contradict their desires, will they obtain right guidance. Cherry-picking what to follow or ignore is what caused the misguidance of the past nations, and it will prevent a Muslim from obtaining peace and success in both worlds. Just like people take bitter medicine, despite disliking it, knowing it is good for them, one must accept and act on all the teachings of Islam, despite their desires being contradicted, knowing it is best for them. Allah, the Exalted, does not expect nor demand perfection, but peace and success cannot be obtained until one approaches the teachings of Islam with sincerity and the intention to accept and act on all of it according to their ability, irrespective of how difficult that may be to do. Chapter 17 Al-Isra, verse 82.
And we send down of the Quran that which is healing and mercy for the believers, but it does not increase the wrongdoers except in loss.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.